Hey guys, so as usual, normally or sometimes not all, I will take some video lah for this TV in the hotel. So this one I will take because you know why? I feel it's a bit interested. The reason is this remote control, Samsung, is very very simple. So the good thing is sometimes too simple, people don't know how to use. Okay, so the video for this today is more on this. I will show you how to adjust the channel and the volume because this Samsung, the design you see very special lah. And then I think many people facing how to increase the volume or lower the volume. This what I mentioned. Very very simple. This smart TV Samsung universal control. Okay. So good thing is maybe like Apple concept lah, user friendly. Everyone know how to use. The bad thing is too simple already. Even you want to adjust or the volume, all that, it's not an easy way. Okay. I also took quite some time only figure out how to turn on or increase the volume for this. Okay. This one is really make you crazy. Okay, sometimes I also don't know how to say. Thanks for watching.